back, you guys. So today's video is going to be on this look that I had created on Instagram. I got a lot of requests to do it, so that is what I'm going to show you how to do. We're going to start off using the Daydream palette first. And I'm going to be taking this light orange tone shadow and applying it all over my lid. This is just going to help all the colors kind of blend, and we're going to slowly build the color. Then I'm going to go in with the Kaleidoscope palette, and I'm going to be taking that orange tone shade. And what I'm going to be doing is applying it right into the crease area. I love this color. I feel like it's such a great intense shade to add definition to the crease area. Create that cut crease effect, I'm going to go in with a flat definer brush and then a deep brown shade. They do have a black shade in the Kaleidoscope palette, but it's just a little too deep, which I am going to use, but I want to go in first with this chocolate brown to really intensify it. So I'm going to start off doing that, and as you guys can see, really just focusing on making sure that everything's blended out. It can go down into the lid area because you are going to end up using concealer to cut most of it out, so that's okay. Now I'm going to go in with just a little bit of black, and I don't want it to be too intense, but I just felt like that chocolate brown was just not intense enough. Now we're going to go in, as you guys can see, and I'm going to be using a little bit of concealer to kind of cut everything out. So for some colors, we're going to go in with Brixton first, and it's this frosty shade. It's got a little bit of a hue to like a shifting of a blue effect. Really, really pretty. Then I'm going to go in with this lime green shade, and that's going to go right in the center. It packs on really well, which I was very pleasantly surprised with. And then once I get done doing that, I'm going to shift it into a black. Now, this is a super intense matte black. So as you guys will notice, the most time-consuming part, I would say, of this entire look was kind of getting that gradient effect from the lime green to the black, because those are two completely opposite colors. And then you will notice on the outer corner, it gets a little bit splotchy, but you can tell that I'm not really focused on it because it's going to be covered with liner. So if you get that splotchiness on the outer corner, don't worry about it because you'll end up covering it anyways. So once I get done finally getting that gradient effect, I'm going to go in with some gel liner, and I'm using the Morphe gel liner to do so, and I'm just going to create a simple long wing. So to finish off this look, you guys know me, it would not be complete if I did not try to add purple to it. So that is what I'm going to do. I'm going to be taking the intense purple that's inside this palette, and I'm going to be applying it on my lower lash line. And then I'm just going to blend it all out. So that there is the final look. Thank you guys all so much for all the love that you guys gave me on this look. And let me know if you guys like these single eye tutorials, because I find them to be kind of easy in between doing tutorials and other looks. So yeah, there's the look. I love you guys, and make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you later. Bye.